We're going to look at list comprehension first. List comprehension is pretty much expression that creates a new list by iterating over all the elements of an existing list. If you have list 1, you'll be able to create list 2 by iterating over list 1. You can use that to copy list 1 to list 2, or copy list 1, make changes to it, and move it over to list 2. So let's use one simple expression to see how that works. Let me get out of these and get into a regular text editor, from interactive mode to text editor, so we can save it. You can save this. Illustrate the use of list comprehension, list comprehension concept. And we are going to create a list. Instead of just a generic list, let's call it team reward list. And you can see more of that example of that on page 397 of the book, with giving some examples. So we're going to do something different, but a little similar to that. Builds on the same line of logic. So we're going to call this team reward list. So let's say that you have a number of salespeople that maybe sell cars or sell houses, or any kind of sales, and you want to build the list for them, and you want to reward them by increasing their sales, adding 50% bonus to their to the sales in order to reward them. So instead of writing lines of code, it makes sense to see if you can do that in one line. So if you say team reward list, let's open that up and say each cell times 1.5 for each cell in range and then you can tell it to print. So for those whose cell numbers are from $1,100 to $1,109, reward them by increasing that by 50%.
Yeah, 0.5.
Yes.
50%. Yeah.
Yes. Say your team's reward with 50% bonus. Bonuses are, and then you print team reward list. Stock the variable there. And equally clarify this. The program rewards sales people by increasing the amount due by 50%. 50% when amount of sales is between $1,100 to $1,109. And because this is comment, it makes sense to put our hashtag there. So let's see if this works or if we need to tweak something else here.
Your
I'm
variable
gonna-
name, I
Pardon?
apologize, your original variable name of the list is spelled as team read list, and it's down at the bottom, it's spelled
Team
team
reward.
reward list. Yeah,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
Yeah,
I'm getting
Team
good at
reward
finding
list.
syntax errors.
the what?
I said I'm getting good at finding errors.
Yeah, I'm glad. I'm very impressed with that. Yeah, yeah, and understanding those details make a big difference.
Yeah,
And
it really helps.
yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and save it. Let's say this is actually, let's say May 16th. Let's call it team reward list. Maybe make it, yeah, I just leave it like that, team
Yeah.
reward list. Let's see how the program behaves. Okay, so it's able to let us know that we haven't completed the parentheses here. Still more problem. Closing parenthesis does not match opening parenthesis. And let's see. Yeah, I see what the problem is. Yeah,
Is that a
it's
square bracket?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right. It's still not cooperating. Let's see what's going on here. Closing parenthesis does not match opening parenthesis.
Do we need
This
an
is
equal sign after team reward list?
Yeah, it's
that's
not that
stop
we
it.
have
Okay.
triple closing. We have extra regular parentheses here. That's why. Yeah. It's an invalid syntax for cell. Each cell times 1.5 for each cell in range. Why would you say it's syntax? Okay, I see what you mean by equal. Yeah, I'm glad
just
you
didn't know
caught
if that
that.
would stop it.
Yeah, it's a very long morning. It's
Yeah, I know the feeling.
all right, let's go ahead and see if it. Okay. Yeah, so it did it. Your team's rewards with 15% bonuses are, so it's adding 50% for each of those. How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people from yeah.
You made that look so simple.
Yeah, it's a lot simpler than what we're used to, where we use a number of lines to try to reach the same logic. But this one in 2 lines is able to do the same thing. That's the benefit of list comprehension.